Well, 2011 Dodge Avenger 3.6 V6. The customer complained about the massive oil leak and the oil was pouring out. I just noticed something coming out from the underneath of the intake manifold, and I did some research. It looks like that's a common problem with most of this type of the engines. So I took the intake manifold off over there and the lower intake manifold as well. I found out this house, see, right here. Let me put more light. Right here, attached to the cooler. And I called the dealer. The price is about like $300. That's a dealer price, and that's a dealer part. And that's a common problem with most of these things. I'm gonna take the oil filter hose assembly, and I already ordered the whole assembly. It's coming, and put it back together, and it should be good to go. Thank you for watching. This is Alex with Master Garage, located at Dallas, Texas, and my phone number is 972-815-8461. Give me a call if you have any question. Good luck, guys.